Welcome to my channel. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போறது 8th standard social science civics lesson 2 citizens and citizenship. அந்த லெசனோட book back exercise நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போறோம். Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is not a condition for becoming the citizen of India? Option B. Acquiring property is the correct answer. Dash of the Constitution of India deals with the citizenship. Option B. Part 2 Article 5 to 11 is the correct answer. Who is called the first citizen of India? Option B. President is the correct answer. Filling the blanks. First one, citizens of a state enjoy full civil and political rights. Our constitution, Indian constitution, provides for only single citizenship. All Indian citizen who is residing outside India and holds an Indian passport are called non-resident Indian. All have a right and civic responsibility citizens. Global citizenship is an idea enabling young people to access and participate in shaping modern society. USA has single citizenship. False. OCI card holder has voting rights in India. False. Citizen of India can enjoy fundamental rights guaranteed by our constitution. True. Nationality can be changed and citizenship cannot be changed. False. Consider the following statement, tick the appropriate answer. Their Indian citizen of the person can be terminated if there are given 4 statements. The option B, first and third statement is the correct statement. Remaining 2 statements are wrong statements. Assertion and reason are given. In that assertion and reason they are given some statement. So the option A, reason is the correct explanation of assertion is the correct answer. Name the types of citizen. There are 2 types of citizens, natural citizen, naturalized citizen. Natural citizen are the citizens by birth. Naturalized citizens are the one who acquires citizenship. What are the rights that a citizen can enjoy in our country? Fundamental rights, right to vote in the election to the Lok Sabha and the state legislature, right to hold certain public offices, right to become the member of parliament and state legislature. Mention any 3 qualities of a good citizen. Loyalty to the constitution, obey laws, contributes to society and community and performs civic duty, quality of goodness and justice, respecting diversity. Name the 5 ways of acquiring citizenship: by birth, by descent, by registration, by naturalization, by incorporation of territory. What do you know about the Citizenship Act of 1955? This act is to provide for the acquisition and termination of Indian citizenship. The Citizenship Act of 1955 prescribes 5 ways of acquiring citizenship. They are by birth, descent, registration, naturalization and incorporation of territory. Answer the following in detail. On what grounds that the citizenship of a person is cancelled? Renunciation is a voluntary act when a person, after acquiring the citizenship of another country, gives up his or her Indian citizenship. Termination takes place by operation of law when an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country. He or she automatically ceases to be an Indian citizen. A deprivation is the compulsory termination. The citizenship is deprived on the basis of an order of the Government of India in cases involving acquisition of Indian citizenship by fraud, false representation or being disloyal to the constitution. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ ஐ வில் பி அப்லோடட் சூன். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை வீடியோ ஆல்சோ.